In this video I'm going to show you how to see recently deleted messages on iPhone. So if I went to my messages and let's say I deleted this, now you might be wondering where has this message actually gone? Maybe you want to recover it, maybe you want to delete it permanently, but how can you actually see it? To see it, you need to click on the top left on the edit button and then click on show recently deleted. And here you can see all of your recently deleted messages. But after that time, messages will be permanently deleted. So if these 6 days go by and I don't do anything, this message will be permanently deleted. So you have around 40 to 30 days once you delete a message to recover it or delete it yourself. But that's how you get to the recently deleted messages. Top left edit and show recently deleted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.